In this lesson, we'll walk through how to manage site images on a Duda website using the API. First, let's take a quick look at how to do this in the editor. I'm going to head over to the Content library and access the Media Manager to upload an image. When the image has finished uploading, click on its name. This will open a new tab showing the URL of the uploaded image, which includes CDN to indicate it's now hosted on Duda's content delivery network. You'll also see the site's alias in the URL. This identifies which site the image belongs to. Each site has its own content library, so any images or assets you upload are stored specifically for that site. When an image is used on a site, whether it was added manually or through connected data, it references the CDN URL we just saw. The Upload Resource API call allows us to upload images onto Duda CDN. This is a post call, and our payload can include up to 10 resources. This API call requires the site name or site alias in the path parameter, which you can find in the URL of the editor. It also requires us to input a public URL where the image is currently hosted. Make sure any images you use are publicly accessible and not set to private. This allows Duda to fetch and optimize them. For our example, the image is being hosted on a Google Drive, so let's copy that URL over. I'll then go into the playground and copy the endpoint, which already includes the site name or alias, and also copy the payload. In Postman, let's add and set up a new request to the collection. This is a post request, so I'll update the method, paste in our endpoint, and add our payload. After I hit send, I should get a 200 response with a brand new link to the image on Duda's CDN. Our image is now hosted on Duda and can be used on the site. So if you're planning to use images, make sure to upload them onto the Duda CDN before referencing them. While you don't have to upload any images onto Duda's CDN, doing so improves site performance as Duda optimizes the images for you.